The requirements for our unit are simple. Your truck needs a 10,000 gross vehicle weight rating and leaf spring suspension. The stamp that's on the inside of the door jamb on the driver's side tells you the front gross vehicle weight rating and the rear and the total. We're concerned about the total. It must be at least 10,000 pounds or we don't feel that the brakes are sufficient enough for this application. Today, these trucks are coming minimum with 12 to 14,000 GVWR. That is huge. That is the first time ever these trucks have been this high. Normally, to get a 12 to 14,000 gross vehicle weight rating, you would need to buy a cab and chassis. It's awesome today that these trucks, especially these single rear wheels, can have a 12,000 gross vehicle weight rating. These dualies are 14,000. So if you have an older truck, the minimum gross vehicle weight rating that we require is 10,000. In regards to the Ram 2500s, one of the things that you have to acknowledge is that the Rams do not come with the two crucial key ingredients, which is the 10,000 pound gross vehicle weight rating and the leaf spring suspension. I've seen older Ram 2500s with leaf spring suspension, but they didn't have a 10,000 gross vehicle weight rating. The Ram 2500s have a 10,000 pound gross vehicle weight rating today, but they don't have leaf spring suspension. So that excludes them from the opportunity to get these Lil Herc 2.0s. I've seen Fords that have a 3/4 ton truck, I think prior to 2017, they have leaf spring suspension, but they don't have a 10,000 gross vehicle weight ratings. If you have an older 3/4 ton Chevy or Ford, they may have leaf spring suspension, but they may not have a 10,000 gross vehicle weight rating. One of the main things that you need to look out for is open up the driver's side door jamb, look at the sticker that the federal government makes these manufacturers. Every car and truck on the US roads today has a stamp that tells you the gross vehicle weight rating. And all that means to me and you is how much the brakes can handle. If the truck can't handle a 10,000 pound load, we do not want to have anything to do with it. Please don't bring us a truck that has a 92, 96, 9,800 gross vehicle weight rating because we don't want to put it on there. It must say 10,000 minimum.